Welcome to our channel to discover unique moments in billions of moments of nature. Wonderful moments that only happen once in a lifetime, containing beauty and profound messages about life. If you love nature and want to discover more, don't forget to like, share videos, and subscribe to the channel to enjoy more wonders with us. Let's start exploring now. Horrifying footage shows a small house swept away by a raging flood, falling under a bridge. The force of nature was brutal, leaving the house trapped in the raging water. The flood, slowly engulfing the small house, swept everything away in the fierce destruction of nature, a haunting scene of the terrible power of floods. An avalanche from a high hill into a stream, a beautiful yet dangerous sight, showing the destructive power of nature. The flood washed away bamboo roots, destroyed people's wooden bridges, damaged construction works, and caused heavy damage to people. The flood came, sweeping away the small village, destroying everything in its path, a haunting sight of the terrible power of nature. The devastating flood swept away everything in its path, from homes to people's belongings. A scene of devastation as nature ravages everything. A sudden strong wind blew the roof off, leaving behind a scene of chaos and devastation. The avalanche rumbled from the high mountains, pouring down like white clouds, creating a scene that was both majestic and romantic. The flood swept away one man, but he grabbed onto nearby objects and escaped the raging waters.
Rồi vẫn còn mùi nữa, còn mùi nữa. Rồi. Rồi.
When approaching the bridge, the motorbike suddenly lost control because the bridge shook violently, forcing the driver to stop in a confused state.
ببین چی جوری داره میبرش.
Oh, there comes the limb now.
Oh, crap.
Wow.
The flood waters swept away and completely destroyed the bridge. The scene of devastation was horrifying as the strong currents swept away the bridge, leaving behind devastation and extensive damage. The fierce flood swept away houses and cars, leaving people stranded in a terrible natural disaster.
Felaket, vallahi felaket. Vallahi felaket. Şuna bak şuna.
این الان چندین سال همین جوریه نگاه کنین یعنی واقعا آقایونه که
The violent waves tossed the boats, leaving them floating on the water in chaos. It was a strange and dangerous sight to see boats being tossed around in the strong waves. The powerful floodwaters rushed down the hill, sweeping away everything in their path, including large trees that fell to the ground. The scene of devastation showed the terrible power of nature in sweeping away everything in its path.
I know when I can do it, but I have to, his head has to go up. There we go.
Holy fuck.
A small tornado suddenly appeared on the football field, The young players were extremely excited, shouting and chasing after it because they were so excited. Floodwaters flooded into his house. A man stood in the middle of the water, sad and helpless as everything was being swept away. The strong wind blew the trash up into the sky, floating like free birds, creating a magical sight. The flood swept away ships and crashed them into the bridge, creating a scene of terrible destruction. The floodwater washed away the rocks, creating a rumbling sound from top to bottom, like the roar of nature. The strange icebergs slowly crawled up to the ground, creating an impressive scene, as if nature was writing a mysterious story. The avalanche hit, covering everything, causing panic and fear among the people at the foot of the mountain.
Absolutely shat myself. Oh.
The avalanche suddenly hit the road. Everything happened in a moment. People panicked and ran away, trying to escape the terrible avalanche.
They better get up or they're gonna hit the power lines. Holy fuck! That'll give you feels.
Oh, क्या खतरनाक आ रहा है ये? Oh भाई साहब! Oh my god! Oh guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa! Back it up! Back it up! Oh my god, it's coming right over us like a storm. Look at this. Oh my god, we're getting close. It's getting close. Don't build the dome. I got Corona. There it is. Diamond Belly's beads. Belly's beads, diamond ring. Look at that. Corona. Totality. Totality.
شوفوا بس وطمشوا على المنظر النادر. 23 أكتوبر 2024 إعصار قمعي لامس السحابة الركامية للأرض.
The ice melted and fell into the water, making a loud noise. People around cheered happily, enjoying the wonderful moment of nature's change.
Oh my God. Never! That is bizarre!
Putain de bug. Legit. Putain.
They blew. They blew.
The tree was slowly swallowed by the raging water, part of it sinking into the power of nature.
What the heck, bro? That's one of the biggest.
The avalanche came down like a giant white cloud, creating a majestic and enchanting sight.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God!
Something's on fire!
Man, that was something in my big toe. Brother, I just shit.
Allahu Akbar.
Woo! Mati!
Hey, no bad. No bad.
The floodwaters rushed down, sweeping away everything in their path, rushing through the stream, creating a fierce and destructive current.
Mira, mira. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
Thank you for watching today's video. These terrifying moments in nature, although challenging and risky, are a powerful reminder of the infinite power of nature and the fragility of life. We need to learn to appreciate and protect the environment, to avoid possible disasters. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share to spread the message, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting and meaningful videos. See you in the next videos.